What I want players to feel when they first hear Modern Warfare is that they're in that place. They're in those locations. The weapons behave and feel like they would if they were actually standing there. And if we've done our job well, they're just going to believe it. We record absolutely everything we can in the field. Helicopters, explosions, all of our weapons, which we record both loud and suppressed. We use all the real weapons. Bullet impacts, sounds of the mag dropping and hitting the ground. Absolutely everything we can. You could